Okay, here we have a hearing aid that is very similar to what your student is wearing. You can see it on our model ear here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the hearing aid. I just grab a hold of the mold there, pull it out by the hearing aid mold. This mold is detachable. It usually stays on, but should it come off for some reason like that, you can just very easily put it back on, like so. The battery door is at the bottom. You open it just by grabbing onto that ledge there. It swings open, and you can see the battery inside. This also acts as the on-off switch, so to put it back on, you just close the battery door. To change the battery, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to use a poker here just to push it out from the other side. And I will grab a new battery here. There's usually a sticky tab on the top there that you would be removed, and then you would see the flat positive side. The other side is beveled. It can only go in the battery door one way or it will not work. So I'm just going to place it in the battery door the correct way, close the battery door, and it usually takes a couple seconds delay and the hearing aid will come on. You can hear that squealing. That's a telltale sign that the hearing aid is on and working. Now I'm going to show the assistive listening devices that attaches to your student's hearing aids. Here we have an audio shoe and a receiver. The receiver just plugs into the audio shoe. If you look closely, you can see there are 3 holes. One hole is wider than the other 2, and if you can see on the pegs, the prongs, one prong is thicker than the other 2. So you just want to make sure you have them lined up so the thick one is going into the thick hole, and it just clips in like that. Once you have this attached, you can just line this up. There's a little catch on the audio shoe. You're going to line that up with a groove, and it just slides right in. Then close the battery door. The hearing aid will come on, and now the receiver is connected. Go ahead and put this in the student's ear. You would just put the ear mold in first. Typically I open the battery door so the student doesn't have to listen to the whistling while we put it in. And you're just going to slide the ear mold in place. The hearing aid goes on behind the ear. Snap the battery door shut, and the student is ready to listen.